Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts. So first things first, you just have to go to any web browser and then go to create Gmail account and make sure that you have selected the create new account right here. Then enter your name, last name, enter your birth date, and then after that you have to add your gender. So you have your option right here, tap on next. Now it will suggest you some email address that you can use, or you can create your own, or if you have an existing email address, you just have to click this one. So once you have selected your Gmail, you can now add your password. Add your password right here. Make sure that this is a strong and unique password. Once done, then what you're going to do is you have to tap on the next button right here. Make sure that the password also matches. Now it will ask you to scan our QR code to make sure that you are 100% human. So you have to get your phone, scan the QR code, go to that specific link. Don't worry, it will not ask anything more than that. Just scan the code. Now you can tap on skip or add recovery email. And then you have to review your account, agree with the terms and conditions, and then after that, tap on agree. It will take you directly to your Gmail or Google account. So basically, that's it. You can now sign out or add another account and repeat the same thing. Okay, create new account, add your first name, last name is optional, and then after that, you can now add your birth date. And then once you have added your birth date right here, then you need to add your password. But before that, again, it will ask you to verify by scanning a QR code. So select your preferred email address, add your password, and again, it will ask you to get a QR code application, scan the code to make sure that you're 100% human, and that's it. You just have to follow the prompt, and that's how you easily create multiple Gmail accounts. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.